In this section, I will show you how to add a cookie banner on your website. It's these little banners that we have all the time when we go online and we check over people's website. Then it always asks us if we want to accept or decline cookies. People do that because they have to legally. In some countries, you need to let people accept or decline cookies when they go on your website. Just quickly, in case you don't know what is a cookie, it is what we use to track visitors on your website. So for example, the data that Google Analytics gets is from cookie. The marketing data that you might get in Facebook, TikTok, Google Ads, or any other marketing platform uses cookie as well on your store to get those data. So depending on where you are in the world, you might require to have this cookie banner on your website as well. If you are not sure if you need a cookie banner or if you don't, then first you can search online and know if it applies to you. Or if you go to other companies' websites that are in the same country as you and they have a cookie banner, then it probably means that you need it as well. So let me show you how to add that on your store. Once again, this is optional. Maybe you don't need it. So in case that's something that you need, then let me show you how to add that on your store. So I am in the dashboard and we want to add a new application. So let's go to applications and all applications. Then look for cookie and activate this application here, cookie notice and compliance. Okay, then access the app. So as soon as you activate the app, then you have the cookie banner on your site. So let me show that to you. Let's go to our store. And here we go, we have our cookie banner directly, okay? So there's not much that we need to do here. You can just leave a lot of options like this. So first you can change the message here that is displayed into the banner here, okay? You can change the button text here. You can add links if you want to your privacy policy. You can add another button to say no, because by default there is just one that says okay. And then define the text here. Then you can leave the next settings by default, it's fine. And then you can go to the design and you can change the position of the banner and also the colors and the overall style. So then it can fit your website and it's not going to be too ugly. So you can change things here if you want. And then once you're done, you just save the changes. Okay, great. Let's go back to our store and refresh the page. And here we go, now we have our two buttons, OK and no. So then people can accept or decline that we track what they do on our website. So that's it for this very quick section. Now you have the cookie banner on your store, congratulations, and I will see you in the next section.